You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of a city, or is it a town in Alabama? It's also the name of a famous medical study, and airman unit. It's simply pronounced as Tuskegee. I know the spelling makes it a little bit confusing. Tuskegee. The stress is on the key syllable. Essentially, it's easy once you know. Pretty straightforward. Tuskegee. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.